Hi folks, welcome to MarineMax Miami. My name is Raheem Nahim. I'm here to show you the Scout 195 Sportfish. This particular boat was ordered with the upgraded Yamaha 150 horsepower engine. We added the ski tow option with the extra bench seat in the back, which gives it a nice comfortable full bench seat. Great so when you board, for wakeboarding. Boat comes equipped standard with your live well. This 195 came equipped with a powder coated T-top with a nice life vest bag. We equipped it with a forward cushion, nice igloo cooler, jail audio standard speakers. This boat we ordered with a Rascal blue hull color. Great against the sun. Thank you for joining us. If you have any questions, please look us up at www.marinemax.com Miami or come by and visit us. Thank you very much.